So, question 4, the last question, your chance to win the sausage stuffing kit donated by Westenfelder, the barbecue and smoking seasoning kit from hotsmoke.co.uk, and the desktop barbecue / grill or tabletop. So everything you need to do, everything you need, you can win to make your own sausages, smoke them, cook them, eat them, and enjoy the lovely OSB pork. So without further ado, I'm going to show you an example for question 4. It's called cipher quote, where you have to decode a message that will give you a quote from someone historically famous, and you need to identify what they said and who they are, and to enter. And also after that, I'll show you how you can enter the Christmas competition. So here's the example question about what is a cipher. Basically, a cipher is a way of encrypting a message, so only the person that knows the sequence can decode the message. So in a straightforward example with the alphabet, there's no numbers involved in this one. A equals A, B equals B, C equals C. But if we were to make this to encode a message, we could shift every letter of the alphabet along one. So A would become B, B would become C, C would become D, D would become E, and so on until we got to Z, and then Z becomes A. So if we were to encode a message using this +1 cipher, we would take the word Andrew, myself. A plus one letter is B, so we would put B. N plus one letter is O. D plus one letter is E, and so forth. And then you end up with BOSFI. And if you were to decrypt that and reverse it, the reverse is the same. So if you've got an encrypted message that you want to decode with the same that same cipher, and when you're decoding, you minus one letter. So where we have C, we go back one letter in the alphabet and it becomes B. B becomes A, D becomes C, and so on. And you spell the word bacon. So that's essentially what a cipher is. In this context, for this particular piece, they can get far more complicated than that. But that's what you need to know. You just need to figure out what I've done to the alphabet to create the message that you need to decode. Right, so there's the example. And as always in all the previous videos, here's the actual question. And the link for the question is also in PDF format, is also in the description below. Well, good luck, people. Going to leave you with a quick screenshot video showing you how to enter the competition. You have until 2300 hours on this Friday, the 23rd of December, and we will announce the winner Christmas Eve morning at 9 AM on our social media platforms. Good luck, everyone. Look forward to reading your entries. So to enter the competition, you need to head over to Oxford Sandy and Black piggroup.org, our website. You see at the top here, got this Christmas competition banner. If you click on that, it will take you to the form where you need to submit your entries. We just need some basic details, so if you win, we can send your prize to you. So you'll see at the top, as you go through the form, the various questions at the top that give you a picture of each one. So if I just fill this in quickly and then go to question 1, you'll see what question 1 is, and then you type your answer in here. Go to question 2, and you get to pick your answers based upon the OSB Dooku question. Go on to question 3, where you have to say what you see, and pick the letters that appear in the words that I've spelt out for you. I'm just randomly filling it in. There's no clues there, I promise. And then you're on to the final question, where you type in what you deciphered, and then you just basically enter the competition. Please make sure that you So you can go back through the form just to check the answers that you put on if you want, using the arrows at the bottom. You get to the end. If you're happy with it, just consent to your data being, for us storing your data for the benefit of the competition, and then click enter now. When you click enter now, it will submit us an email, and you will get a message like this on the screen.